Let's compare the AILKIN car charger against the Miaday power pack. So both of these are great devices or accessories if you want to charge up your phone on the go. You can also charge a tablet and that kind of thing. The difference is that with the AILKIN car charger, you're going to plug this into the accessory socket in your car. You get two standard size USB ports, and that's going to charge from your car. The power pack here, on the other hand, from Miaday, this is a 10,000 milliamp hour power pack, and that means it's got a built-in battery inside of this. You charge up the battery at home, you can take this on the go and plug in either the big USB devices, or we've got one of the smaller USB ports here. So this, from Miaday, you don't need to plug it into anything when you're out and about. You could put it in a bag and take it on a trip. With the AILKIN, you will need to plug it into your car. So that's the biggest difference. Otherwise, similar ports. On the Miaday, we do have those extra smaller ports on there. On the AILKIN car charger, you just have those two big USB ports. Neither of these comes with the cable to plug it in, to plug in your device though. So you will have to supply the cable no matter which of these you choose. Both of them are a great option if you're wanting to charge your phone when you're away from the house.